Anytime a child or an adult is upset, is having a difficult time with social or emotional coping, the last thing we want to say is use your words. Because when you're upset, you don't have words. And you don't have the right words. So we always insist that with children, and we really need to back off, and we need just to validate that feeling and say, listen, you look upset, you look frustrated, you look a little angry. Okay, let's take a moment and you can do this. But the minute we put pressure, like use your words, it's the same feeling that we get when someone tells us to calm down when we're really upset. And no human being ever calms down because someone told them to calm down.